Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're reviewing one of the most fun and surprisingly useful portable displays you can bring into your home, the 22-inch portable TV on wheels. This compact rolling smart TV is built for ultimate mobility, giving you entertainment, productivity, and communication anywhere you need it. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen, working in the study, relaxing in bed, or even moving around outdoors, this device is designed to follow you effortlessly. The first thing you notice is the sleek 22-inch 1080p touchscreen. It's bright, clear, and smooth to use, offering the feel of a large Android tablet mounted onto a convenient rolling stand. The touchscreen supports fast and responsive gestures, making it perfect for watching YouTube, scrolling social media, attending video classes, or navigating apps without needing a remote. Inside, it runs on Android 13, giving you full access to apps, streaming platforms, and even productivity tools. With 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, the performance is solid for multitasking, downloading essential apps, and storing offline content. It handles movies, games, online browsing, and video streaming without stuttering, thanks to its efficient chipset and lightweight software. One of the biggest highlights is the built-in 13MP camera. This makes the rolling TV perfect for video calls, online learning, remote meetings, and even content creation. Whether you're attending Zoom classes, FaceTiming family, or joining conferences, the camera quality is surprisingly sharp for a portable unit. The built-in battery takes versatility to another level. You're not tied to a power socket, you can roll it anywhere and keep watching, learning, or working on the go. For camping, bedside use, workshops, classrooms, or even bathroom setups, the freedom is amazing. The rolling stand is lightweight but sturdy, allowing you to move the TV smoothly across rooms. This makes it ideal for kids, seniors, or anyone who wants a convenient, portable screen without lifting a thing. Whether you're looking for a mobile entertainment display, a portable productivity panel, a smart learning screen, or a versatile video call hub, the 22-inch portable TV on wheels delivers convenience and performance in a compact design. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse. Make sure to hit subscribe and grab yours using the Amazon link below.